Hello, I'm going to go over some instructions for our Chapter 5 extra credit opportunities. So these two different documents are going to be linked in Google Classroom, but I'm also going to hand them out in class. The first is focused on inequalities, and it's an inequality card sort. So what you're going to do is it's 2 pages. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut out each of the graphs and each of the inequalities or equations, and you're going to match them up. So what I would do is grab a separate sheet of paper, or maybe 2 sheets of paper, and some tape or glue or staples, and just match up which inequalities go with which graphs, which equations go with which graphs, and then match them up and glue them on the piece of paper so that I can see you can identify between an equation or an inequality and a graph. And then the second extra credit opportunity has to do with the systems of equations. And what you'll do is, this is 2 pages, front and a back, and you will check out the system of equations that's written in the middle, and you're going to solve it 3 different ways. So you'll solve it by graphing. You're going to graph both of those equations, and then you'll solve it using substitution, and then you'll solve it using elimination. Once you've solved it the 3 different ways, choose one to write about. Decide which method you prefer and why. So you can start out by saying, I prefer the blank method, the graphing method, the substitution method, or the elimination method. And I prefer it because ... whatever you want to say. It was easier, it was faster, it made more sense to me. Whatever it is, come up with a reason why you chose that method. And so you're going to do that with this system of equations, and then you'll do it down here with this one. So you're going to do that 2 times. You do not necessarily need to answer these questions, but I might throw in an extra point or 2 for those. That's it. I think I covered everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is going to be due February 23rd. That's a Tuesday. If you'd like to come into tutoring on the 18th or on the 23rd and get some help finishing it up, you're more than welcome to do that. Otherwise, yeah, let me know if you have questions, and good luck.